Hi all. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to assign a name of a particular user in a SL-1000 NEC PABX system. So for that we need to enter to the GUI to get the GUI interface. We need to enter the IP address of that particular NEC system. So this is my IP. Which is in the range of my IP uh, IP address range within in my subnet. So here I enter the username and password to logging in. So then here you can, this is the dashboard. You can see the home and type the version, web pro version, and the model, and here you can see the IP address of that system. And here we have different options in the dashboard, but today we are focusing only the option that the system data, going to system data and how to rename the different extensions. Now you can name the extension which appear in the telephone system. So for that, go to the main dashboard, then click on the system data. Here you can see, go to the extension setup. You can see all the setup you can see in the left hand side corner. Here we need to choose the option 15. In the 15 it's saying extension setup, and the first option you can see here, and the right hand side corner you can see here all the extensions are available for this phone, and you can see all the available port and the names, the current name and the port number plus the extension number. Suppose if I want to change one of the name, here you can see choose the extension and you can put the name here, and this is the number. If I dial into, then after that apply. Now this is the extension for 219. Now if you dial into that particular number, suppose that if I dial 219 in the system, you can see in the telephone display, it reflect the name test. Same way you can follow any extension, you can make the changes. Suppose if I want to change this one, I can make it accordingly. So I change, instead of ops I change to okay, I put Batcher. So okay, so this is the number now. This is the name of that particular extension 228 now, Batcher. So after that, once you change the name, to apply the settings. So now this is the name which is assigned for this particular extension. Multiple options are different kind of options, and different settings are available for each extension here under the main module extension setup. Different what kind of incoming call transfer setup, and kind of data tone setup, DTM for DP, and kind of caller ID setup, and then function key you can set up right here. This is the function key of the telephone. You can set up that function key over here. It depends your requirement. Okay, function key, then incoming virtual call extension tone and virtual call extension ring assignment. I didn't some of the options are completely blank. It's not need. We will look into it in future. One touch key, it's not assigned, and this is the one touch key I didn't touch, and the core message waiter, virtual extension enhancer. This is the, I think this is the by default. So mobile extension setup, ringtone this is the registration starting from the standard, trunky, incoming, and registration tone extension. Okay, so a lot of options are available. So here we only focus today that as you know, as we discussed in the thumbnail, as I mentioned that extension setup. So here if I don't want to appear the name, I can change I can make it blank, then make it blank, then apply. So that user will become, that particular extension now will become blank. So we can do the same way all the, okay, if I put let me clear this one. So same way you can name or you can remove, it's up to you. Okay, so that's it for you today. Thank you. See you around again. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching the video.